ready to take your progressive house tracks from good to absolutely electrifying. Today, we're diving deep into crafting those signature progressive house buildups that send shivers down your spine and compel the dance floor to erupt. It all starts with a solid foundation. Let's begin by layering our core elements. Think a driving kick drum, a subtle hi-hat pattern, and a hypnotic synth arp that sets the mood. For our build-up, sound design is crucial. We want sounds that evolve and grow. Take a lead synth or a pad and start applying some subtle automation, gently opening the filter cutoff. Maybe adding a touch of distortion or saturation to introduce harmonics as the intensity increases. Now, let's talk arrangement. This is where we build tension. Start by introducing a rhythmic element. Maybe a snare roll that gradually becomes faster and more prominent. You can achieve this by decreasing the note length of your snares or by utilizing a gate effect with a rapidly decreasing rate. As the build-up progresses, we need to make the soundscape feel bigger. Consider boosting the higher frequencies on your synth pads or adding a widening stereo effect to create that sense of expansion. Riser sound effects are your best friend here. Choose a riser that complements your track's key and energy. Automate its volume to start low and sweep upwards. Experiment with adding subtle pitch bends to these risers for added dramatic effect. Finally, the magic happens with automation across multiple parameters simultaneously. Increase the volume of your main elements, open up those filters further, and subtly increase the reverb or delay send to create a sense of spaciousness and anticipation right before the drop. It's all about that controlled escalation. Master these techniques, and you'll be creating progressive house buildups that will have your listeners on the edge of their seats, eagerly waiting for that next massive drop.